Leggett's top flight P51 with a hybrid power plant. Maiden flight of Mike Leggett's top flight P51 with a very unique hybrid power system. Electric coupled to gas motor. It's a DLE20, I understand. I'm not certain of the electric configuration, ESC, LiPo, or whatnot. Here he goes. It revved up pretty good. I don't know what the prop is. Here he comes. He's off! Keep he was way back there. There we go, nice. He's gonna land. Oh. Maybe go around instead. Good call, Mike. Go around. We'll get Mike in there. Congratulations on your maiden, Mike.
Rates are a little high.
Yeah.
But well done.
All right. Out here at